Hey everyone, my name is Pat Davis, and today I'm going to talk to you more about this 2023 Polaris Sportsman 570. In 2021, Polaris redesigned this four-wheeler, so they relocated the battery up under the storage bin. It's also a lot bigger, so the machine starts a lot better than what they used to as well. Another great thing they did on the A-arms is they went to automotive style bushings, so you do not have all those grease zerks that you have to worry about anymore. Another great thing they did is they added an onboard battery tender plug-in right up here on the dash. Keep your battery charged all winter long so you don't have to worry about a froze battery. There's also other great features within the display. You have your trip meter, you have your miles, your maintenance reminder, and you have a clock and also a trip timer if you want to time how long it takes to get from point A to point B. As I mentioned, this model does have power steering to make turning a breeze. It's also great if you want to add a plow system to it. And with the selectable four-wheel drive, that's on demand, so you don't have to worry about putting it in four-wheel. You put it in four-wheel, it'll lock in when it needs to, it'll kick out when it doesn't need it. Also with the 570 EPS, you get a front bumper and then a front and rear rack extender right from the factory. If you have any questions, please feel free to stop in or give us a call at 715-234-8174. Thank you.